These 2-week-old turkeys are on a farm in North Carolina. Currently, North Carolina ranks second in the United States in terms of the number of turkeys, with about 33 million birds distributed across 389 farms. This was captured on a turkey farm in Arkansas. Currently, Arkansas is also one of the states with the largest number of turkeys in the United States, with about 31.5 million. According to statistics, turkeys contribute $304 million a year to the Arkansas economy, and the turkey industry provides about 19,000 jobs. Not only do they live in captivity, but many farms in the United States also raise turkeys free range. This is great for the prevention of disease in turkeys and also improves the quality of the meat. Turkeys are considered fully mature when they reach 30 to 40 pounds in weight. The weight in wild turkeys is only 15 to 25 pounds. Currently, Alabama is the state with the largest number of wild turkeys in the United States. The feed used for turkeys is mainly soybeans, corn, wheat, and barley. After about 6 months, thousands of these turkeys are ready for harvest. Workers will catch and load thousands of turkeys into these cages. Then the trucks will transport them to the turkey processing plant. In 2021, up to 46 million turkeys were eaten on Thanksgiving, 22 million on Christmas, and 19 million at Easter. Alexander Hamilton, the first Secretary of the Treasury of the United States, once stated that no citizen of the United States should not eat turkey on Thanksgiving Day, and this has come true. This is what happens at a turkey processing plant. Here, thousands of turkeys will be dipped in boiling water and cleaned of feathers before moving on to other stages. With modern technology applied, this factory only needs to employ about 40 to 50 workers in the entire process of processing thousands of turkeys a day. For many years, the United States has always been the largest turkey producer in the world. In second and third are Brazil and Germany. How do you feel about the process of raising and processing turkey meat in this video? Let us know what you think in the comments section of the video. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Hello my friends,